Good afternoon. As the Honorable Attorney General Commissioner for Justice, Rivers State, and the third defendant in suit number DHC 20 CS of the year 2024, my attention has been drawn to a recent judgment. This judgment did not seek to declare the seats of Martins Amaewhule and 26 others in the Rivers State House Assembly vacant. The suit of the claimants was struck out for want of jurisdiction and local standing, and also for being an abuse of court process, which thus robbed the Honorable Court of the jurisdiction to hear and adjudicate on the matter. There is the misleading news circulating in social media, print and electronic media, that Martins Amaewhule and 26 others are members of the Peoples Democratic Party and the Rivers State House of Assembly. As you all know, Martins Amaewhule and 26 others defected from the Peoples Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress on the 11th day of December 2023, and stated that much in affidavit evidence deposed to by Martins Amaewhule for himself and on behalf of 26 others in suit number FHC ABJ 1681 CS of the year 2023 before Honorable Justice Justice Okogbule Gbasam of the Federal High Court Abuja Division. That suit is still pending in court. By section 2723 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic as amended, it is only the Federal High Court that can determine whether Martins Amaewhule and 26 others are still members of the Peoples Democratic Party and also members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. This much was held by the trial court. However, you will recall that there is a subsisting order of interlocutory injunction in suit number PHC 1512 CS of the year 2024, restraining Martins Amaewhule and his co-travelers from further parading or presenting themselves as lawmakers in Rivers State, pending the determination of the substantive suit, which has not been appealed against. That suit is still pending. We urge the public to disregard the news presently making the rounds in social, print, and electronic media to the effect that Martins Amaewhule and 26 others have been declared as members of the Peoples Democratic Party and the Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you and good afternoon.